Hi everyone, and welcome to a cozy weekend vlog. If you also had a hectic week like me, this is your sign to slow down. Let's tidy up, bake a cake, enjoy some good food, and wander through IKEA together. There's just something so comforting about taking care of the space you come home to. It's amazing how something as simple as changing the table sheet can make the whole space feel new and fresh again. I love a hearty weekend breakfast. Weekend mornings are the only time where I can take my time, cook something special, and actually sit down to enjoy. I swear laundry has a mind of its own. Just when you think you're done, there's another pile waiting. It's just something that we have to get done. It's not the most exciting task, but a freshly folded pile of clothes somehow makes me feel better.
I don't know if I can find my way out. I'm stuck in a prison of doubt. In this torsion, and everything is growing up tight. There's no room to breathe. And nobody is watching at night. The water rises.
Baking has become my favorite way to unwind. For a little while, it's just me, butter, and sugar. The house smells amazing, and there's always something sweet waiting at the end. I used to think weekends had to be packed with plans. Now I think they're meant for moments like this to slow down, get comfy, and catch up on your favorite shows. IKEA had a sale going on, so we couldn't resist a little visit. Home decor shopping is definitely my love language. It makes me way happier than shopping for clothes. I'd rather browse through cushions, candles, and kitchenware than clothes any day. I might have done some pretty big damage to my wallet today, but honestly, my heart is so full. If you enjoyed this vlog, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.